If you've closed your WhatsApp account and wish to reopen it, follow these steps to guide you through the process. Remember that reopening your account may have certain limitations based on the time elapsed since closure. Step 1. Open WhatsApp. Download and install the latest version of WhatsApp from your device's app store if you haven't already. Launch the app to begin the account recovery process. Step 2. Verify your phone number. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Enter the verification code. Input the verification code you received. This step is crucial as it verifies that you are the rightful owner of the account you wish to reopen. Step 4. Restore your account. After successful verification, WhatsApp will prompt you to restore your chat history if you have a backup. Follow the on-screen instructions to restore your data if applicable. Step 5. Set up your profile. Once your account is restored, set up your profile by adding your name and profile picture. You can now start using WhatsApp again as before. In conclusion, reopening your closed WhatsApp account is a straightforward process if you follow these steps. Ensure you have access to the phone number linked to your account for a smooth recovery.